Good afternoon and welcome to my YouTube channel. The first thing you can do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then you can like my presentation. So we look at addition and subtraction in base 2. Addition and subtraction in base 2, and we have an example here. It says calculate A110 base 2 plus 11 base 2, and then B 1011 base 2 minus 111 base 2. Now, before we do our addition or subtraction, maybe let me give you a table that can guide you. So when we are actually dealing with numbers that are in base 2, we need to know that we'll come across, by the way, in base 2, we are just using two numbers, base 2. And the two numbers are 0 and 1. 0 and 1. So there is no single 2 in base 2. So what we can do is, like for our table, we should know that 0 plus 0 will always give us 0. You need to know that fact. 1 plus 1, rather 1 plus 0 will give you 1. That is in base 2. And then 0 plus 1 will always give us 1. Then if we have 1 plus 1, if these are in base 2, 1 plus 1, since we are saying there is no single 2 in base 2, we can't write 2 here, but we'll write 1, 0, base 2. So this table will guide you when it comes to addition. Then for subtraction, it's the same thing. In base 2, 0 minus 0 will always give us the 0. Then 1 minus 0 will always give us 1. And then what we have is 1 minus 1. This will give us 0. Then we will also have 1 0 in base 2. So 1 0 minus 1 will not give us 9, but it will give us 1. So this is another table that will guide all your subtraction. And so as we do all our additions and subtractions, we need to know this part. And so answering part A, we have 1 1 0 base 2. We are adding with 1 1 base 2. So let me say plus here. If we add, we will just follow what we have here. So we'll say 0 plus 1, it is 1, we write 1. 1 plus 1, according to our table, it is 1 0. So we are going to write 0, and then we carry the 1 to the next. So here we write 0, we carry 1 to the next. That 1 we've carried, plus this 1, again will give us 1 0. We'll write 0 here, we carry 1 to the next. Unfortunately, there is nothing here, so it's as good as 0 plus that 1, so it will now become 1, or just the 1 0 itself. So this will be our addition. Then part B, that is our addition. With part B, we have 1 0 1 1 base 2. We are subtracting 1 1 1 base 2. So in base 2 again, let me just align them properly, okay, like that. 1 minus 1, according to our table, 1 minus 1 will give us 0. So we'll write 0 here. Then again, 1 minus 1, that is 0. Then this 1 0, this is 0. So if we get a 1, it will still become 1 0. 1 0 minus 1 will now give us 1. So we'll write 1 here. That is in base 2. And so that will be our answer. So this is how we carry out our calculations when we are in base 2. Let me just give you some questions for your practice. Let's say calculate. try and do those calculations, not forgetting that you need to go through, see how we found these answers. When you are satisfied with what we did here, then you are sure of getting the correct answers here. Thank you so much for watching.